Hi guys, this is Kurgi from Hmong Soul Food. In this video, I would like to show you how to make delicious crispy egg rolls. With this simple recipe, we can make about 30 egg rolls for any event. You can also check out my website for more details about this recipe and other dishes. And please like and subscribe to my channel for future recipes. Okay, so let's get started with the basic ingredients. For the seasoning sauce, all we need is 1/3 cup of sriracha hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1/3 cup of seasoning sauce, 1/4 cup of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, and then just mix them into a small bowl. We will need 1 cup of shredded carrots. Make sure to scrape away the rough surface, then shred 2 to 3 inches in length. I recommend using a sliced peeler for this. Shred 2½ cups of cabbage. You can dice 1/3 cup of yellow onion with this simple method. Cut 2 stalks of green onion about this size. Be sure to avoid having big pieces as they can overpower the taste. Mince 1/3 cup of cilantro, like so. Cilantro will give it a nice aroma. For the noodles, make sure to use bean thread vermicelli. These are also known as glass noodle. I prefer the one that comes in small packs. Place 6 packs into a pot of boiling water, then set the heat down to medium. The noodles should be cooked within a minute. If they are transparent all the way through, then they are ready. String the noodles, then cut them with a scissor like this for easier handling. After the noodles have cooled down, pour the veggies into the bowl. Then pour in the seasoning sauce. Then mix and toss gently and thoroughly until the noodles turn to a golden color. If you still see patchy area, continue mixing. Crack 1 whole egg into the mix. For the second egg, separate the yolk from the white and put it aside. Mix the egg with the filling to act as a binding. And finally, add 1 pound of ground pork. Take your time to mix evenly and make sure to break up the meat if they clump up. To wrap the egg rolls, I use 8x8 square inch spring roll wrap. Menlo is the brand I like to use. It has just the right amount of thickness and texture. Make sure the wraps are thawed before peeling. The wrap should feel a little damp, not frozen nor too dry. Start from a corner, peel each layer slowly and gently. You may get tears, but if it's small enough to be covered, you can still use it. Scramble the yolk we save on the side to seal the wrap later. I use a disher to scoop the filling. If you do not have one on hand, just get the same amount I show here. Set the filling behind the dotted line and slightly spread it. Grab the bottom corner and fold it over but leave a small flap. Then pull the wrap towards you until it's snug. With the slight pressure, roll the wrap firmly to about the center line. Press down the edge of the filling, then snugly fold over each corner towards the center like so. Continue rolling and leave a small flap. Tip the yolk with your finger and spread on the flap to seal it. Wrapping can be tricky at first. It takes a bit of practice to get consistent rolls. Let me know how you did in the comments below. Now that we have our batch, it's time to cook. For this video, I use a frying pan. You can use a deep fryer if you want. Fill the pan with vegetable oil enough to submerge the egg rolls. Set to high heat and wait for it to simmer. Make sure to place the egg rolls one by one gently to avoid splashing. It is easier to handle when you fry in small batches to prevent overcrowding. Lower the heat to medium so the meat can cook thoroughly without burning the wrap. Be sure to turn the egg rolls so both sides have a chance to cook. Take them out when their color turns slightly golden. Don't wait until they get any darker than this, otherwise they will taste burnt. The shell should be crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside like this. Place it on a piece of paper towel to soak up the excessive oil. These egg rolls taste great on their own, but top it with egg roll sauce and they will be irresistible. Check out my other video on how to make 2 amazing sauces to dip your egg rolls into. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment. See you next time!